Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to InTouch Health, now part of Telehealth, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. InTouch Health, integrated into Telehealth, presents a comprehensive telehealth solution tailored for large healthcare systems, hospitals, and clinics requiring robust, enterprise-level telemedicine functionalities. Its core mission is to broaden access to healthcare by connecting patients and providers in diverse clinical scenarios, encompassing acute care, chronic disease management, and routine consultations. A significant advantage of InTouch Health lies in its scalability and adaptable nature. The platform's cloud-based architecture seamlessly integrates with pre-existing workflows, minimizing disruption to established processes. Its telehealth features include high-definition video conferencing, secure data exchange capabilities, and real-time patient monitoring, ensuring clear and effective communication between healthcare professionals and their patients. Furthermore, InTouch Health supports a range of devices, from standard desktop computers and mobile devices to specialized telehealth carts, making it adaptable to a variety of clinical settings and needs. A particularly noteworthy feature is its clinical-grade quality, specifically designed for critical use cases such as stroke care, intensive care unit, ICU, management, and emergency consultations. Providers benefit from reliable connectivity, even in environments with limited bandwidth, along with advanced tools like remote diagnostic capabilities and electronic stethoscope integration. For outpatient and follow-up care, InTouch Health streamlines scheduling and provides patients with user-friendly access through secure links, reducing barriers to virtual care and improving patient engagement. Security and compliance are paramount for InTouch Health. The platform adheres to HIPAA standards, ensuring the protection and privacy of patient data. Moreover, the integrated analytics and reporting tools empower healthcare organizations to monitor performance metrics, track patient outcomes, and optimize resource allocation for maximum efficiency. This platform is ideally suited for large healthcare networks and specialty care providers seeking a complete, enterprise-grade telehealth solution. While it might not be the perfect fit for solo practitioners or smaller clinics, its strength lies in delivering scalable telehealth services to larger organizations. If your healthcare organization requires a reliable, secure, and feature-rich telehealth platform, InTouch Health is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description for more information and discover its capabilities today.